Hey guys, in today's video, I want to talk about battery intelligence. Now, for those of you that may be new, battery intelligence was a feature that was first referenced within iOS 18.2 back in 2024. Now, the feature was set to debut with iOS 18, but it never did. Now, the purpose of the feature was to allow your iPhone to determine how long it will take until your iPhone is fully charged from 0 to 100 when you plug it into charge. Now, the feature was referenced as battery intelligence. However, Apple never talked about this being available within iOS 26, and I've been using the software for several hours now, and I've noticed that the feature is available. And let me show you how it works, because your iPhone can actually tell you how long it will take until it's fully charged. It can tell you in settings, and it can also tell you within the lock screen of your device. And let me show you how it works. So the first thing you want to do is head on over into settings. And right here under the battery section, you have this new option on the top right here, which tells you the current charge of your iPhone and the last time that you charged your device, as you see right there. However, if you have an iPhone 15 Pro or newer running iOS 26 Beta 1, when you plug your iPhone into a power source, you'll notice that this will change. So right now it says charging, as you can see right there. In a few seconds, you see that this will change. So right now it says in order to charge to 80%, it will take 32 minutes, as you see right there. So from 49 to 80, it will take 32 minutes. Now, an additional hour and 47 minutes to reach 100. Keep in mind that from 80 to 100, it goes into turbocharging, so it takes longer in order to preserve battery health overall. So right now, the feature is available within settings under the battery section, and Apple never mentioned this. But as I mentioned, not only is the feature available within the settings application, but it is also available in the lock screen as we thought it would. So right now, if you take a look right there at the date in time, right there, take a look at the date. If we press on the side button, you'll see here that for about 1 second, you see there the current charge and how long it will take to charge to 80%, so 31 minutes. Now, to be honest, I'm happy to see that the feature is finally here. However, it looks like it only works on the iPhone 15 Pro or later. I did try to plug in the iPhone 14 Pro Max here running iOS 26. So let me go ahead and show you this iPhone running iOS 26 beta. I can plug it into charge, but this section does not change for me. Hopefully this feature will be coming later to other devices. I'm not sure if it will, but right now it looks like it's not available on any device earlier than iPhone 15 or below, right? So if you have an iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, or newer, then you do get this feature. If you have iPhone 15 or lower, it doesn't look like this is working. I've been testing multiple devices, but yeah, battery intelligence, although Apple never mentioned this feature, is currently available within iOS 26 Beta 1. I'll keep you guys posted to see if Apple actually updates this feature to support older devices as more time goes by and more betas become available. But there you guys have it, battery intelligence. It is currently here within iOS 26. Let me know what you think about the feature. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.